Alright, this is our project. It's a custom Mars mod that I made. I made it so we could play music. I'm gonna show music off later because it gets loud and only stops when the program is stopped. And I'm not gonna play this game to completion because the AI is a little bit too smart for its own good sometimes. So, first off, we made an array of bytes to hold our board. And the way this works is the player enters an input and then it scans that position, makes sure that it can place that item there by checking to make sure that there's another X in that path, and to make sure that there's also an O in that path. X is being the player, O is being the enemy. And the CPU scans the board the same way and places its item in the nearest possible position. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and test this. Alright, so I'm going to place this at 4, 6, which should be somewhere around here. Alright, it's here. The CPU decides to place its item right here. So again, scanning to make sure that it can place it. It can because there's an X in its way and 0 is behind it, so it decides to put it there at its closest possible location. And then for my input, there's an X here, and I want to put an X here. And so I put it there because this happens before the CPU decides its position. So it puts it there, CPU does its move, gets rid of my X there, up here on this row. So the next position I'm going to do is 4, 3. Alright, I get my X back here, but the CPU decides to go diagonally. So I think that's enough of showcasing how the algorithm works. Now I'm going to show you the music. So, as I said, this was a custom Mars tool, and I made it in Eclipse. Here is my custom mod, the music player. It plays a specific song, and the way this works is I've got to, reset this, connect this to MIPS, run it, play, plays the music while I press play, changes the J label to say song is playing, I can stop it, and it resumes from the same location. And basically this keeps running up until the game stopped. And as you can see, the game works just fine. Actually, I'll play the music while doing this, just to showcase the game also works while using the music. Alright, that's been our project. Thanks for watching.